We start with 1 hour chart. Just I want to give a quick update. If you refer to our analysis, since the price was within this move, I mentioned if you want to look for trade setup, still we can expect the price to retest this low. As we can see, the price drop. Now we're looking at this correction. From now, if we get any trade setup, we can look for buy. I now want to see whether this is what we get. I mean, this is the correction for continuation or not. All right. By the way, if we refer to our analysis, since the price was within this move, we mentioned if we get any sharp move with the flag, we can look for buy. We get the sharp move, and as I explained in my last analysis, the only way to trade this one was having entry above this. But after we get this down move, all right, that's why I mentioned if we want to look for buy, we should wait and see what is this correction. That's why I mentioned we need to get one more drop. The reason is the only times I would say we can buy, consider this one as a sharp move with the flag or correction if the correction was above the top. All right, as we can see, it reversed quite a lot. All right, that's why still we can expect this one to be more complex before we get the next up move. We cannot buy simply. We do the giving us a trade setup. All right, this sharp move can be due to any reason. All right, but by the way, how we want to trade it? Again, we start with the daily chart. As we mentioned, since the price was within this move, we wanted to get the buy and we wanted to get the price to break above the previous stop. Now we got this 3 waves. Still, we can look for this for that. That's why I made this one give us one more drop before get the continuation, because the price broke the previous stop, but there was no continuation and reverse. Okay, now the thing is whether the price can continue from here or this one turn to a flat. And as I mentioned, we need to be aware of this. We are not looking for the down move. We need to be aware. If we get any trade setup, we see there is no continuation based on lower time frame, we should expect for price to break this low, because we can look for this correction right now. And even if you move to forward chart, this is what we can see. Still, we are within this correction. 1, 2, 3. That's why buying from here, we need to be quite careful in case this one to retest 0.048 because before we get the next move, because the correction we have here is really complex, and what we wanted to get the sharp move, the price to break the previous top. This is what we get, but there was a reversal. Okay, and even if you move to 1 hour chart, you want to see how we can trade it. As I mentioned, still we are within this correction, but from now any buy we get, we take the trade. If this is moving, it's good. If not, we take out the trade. Now we want to see whether we can put this one as the internal flat, and this is the last move in relative to this. This is the start of the up move, or this one can turn to a correction similar to what we have here. We can get the bigger flat with the internal correction for one more drop. We don't need to wait for the drop because already what we wanted, we get. This is what we wanted. Any buy from now, we can take it. But do we have any trade set up? If we zoom in, we don't have it. Even if we move to 15 minutes, can we look for this one as a reversal? Yes, based on 15 minutes. Okay, any trade we get, we take it with a sharp move. With the breakout of the previous top, we start to manage it. All right, this is how we can look at it. The only question right now is how deep this one can go and how complex can be. Because based on 1 hour chart, I don't think we have a really proper trade setup. Even if you want to trade to this, we need to get a sharp move with a flag, or we can have entry above the stop. Rather than that, we don't have any other option because still this one can turn to flat. Okay, in this case, we just follow the chart. If I see any update, I will share. Thanks.